Welcome back. Today we're going to make a simple grill scraper like this one using a cedar fence picket. Let's get started.
The first thing I want to do is cut the 60-degree angle at the end of the grill scraper. I'll be using my miter saw to do this. I'll be using a clamp to hold the board in place because it's such a tight angle. Next, I'm going to trace out a pattern from an old handle and transfer that to my new piece. I'm going to mark the length I want to use at 14 inches and then transfer that handle to the cedar piece. My handle trace down there, I cut the piece to length and then used the jigsaw to cut out the handle. For the smoothest finish, I recommend using a scroll style blade.
Okay, with our shape cut out in rough form, our next step is to just finish it up with some sanding, and then it'll be ready for the grill. Thanks for watching.